Welcome to our overview of fuel consumption for the Nissan Murano II, the popular mid-size SUV produced from 2008 to 2015. This vehicle represents a significant choice for many drivers seeking comfort and capability. The purpose of this video is to provide a realistic view of its fuel consumption, drawing from real-world data and actual driver experiences, rather than relying solely on manufacturer claims. Factors such as driving style, environmental conditions, and proper maintenance play crucial roles in determining actual fuel economy. Understanding these elements helps drivers make informed decisions about their vehicle's performance. The Murano II has official EPA fuel economy ratings of 18 mpg city, 24 mpg highway, 20 mpg combined. However, drivers often experience lower real-world fuel efficiency due to various factors. Real-world MPG is often lower than EPA estimates. Individual drivers report fuel efficiency ranging from about 15 to 22 mpg, as shown in this data visualization. Several factors contribute to this discrepancy. EPA testing occurs under controlled conditions, while real driving includes varying speeds, traffic, and weather. Aggressive driving habits like rapid acceleration and high speeds significantly reduce fuel efficiency compared to EPA's moderate test procedures. Neglecting regular maintenance, such as tire pressure checks and oil changes, can also lower MPG. Proper upkeep is essential for optimal fuel efficiency. Given these differences, it's important to consider real-world fuel consumption data rather than relying solely on EPA estimates for accurate fuel cost planning. Driving style significantly affects fuel consumption. Aggressive acceleration and braking can reduce MPG by up to 20%, while smooth, steady driving improves efficiency. Terrain impacts fuel use, with hilly roads requiring more energy for climbing and descending compared to flat terrain. Cold weather reduces MPG due to thicker oil and increased engine load. Winter conditions can lower efficiency by 10 to 15%. Extra passengers and cargo increase weight, requiring more fuel to accelerate and maintain speed. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, reducing MPG by up to 3% for every 1 psi drop below recommended pressure. Maintenance issues like dirty air filters and worn spark plugs reduce engine efficiency. A clogged air filter can decrease MPG by 5 to 10%. Trim levels affect consumption, with AED typically using more fuel than FWD due to additional weight and power distribution. Real-world fuel consumption data for the Nissan Murano II comes from user-submitted information on platforms like Fuely.com and Edmunds, as well as owner forums. Based on this data, Murano II owners typically achieve an average of 18 to 22 mpg in city driving and 24 to 28 mpg on the highway. This chart visualizes the MPG distribution over time, showing consistent real-world performance. All data is attributed to these transparent sources for accuracy and reliability. Driving techniques play a crucial role in maximizing fuel economy for your Murano II. By adopting smoother driving habits, you can significantly reduce fuel consumption. Aggressive driving, like hard acceleration or sudden braking, wastes fuel and wears out your vehicle. This graph shows how grip use spikes during aggressive maneuvers, indicating inefficient energy use. Keeping a steady speed, especially on highways, optimizes fuel economy. This graph demonstrates how fuel efficiency peaks around 55 miles per hour and declines at higher speeds due to increased air resistance. Planning ahead for traffic patterns reduces unnecessary stops and starts. This diagram shows peak traffic flows, helping you time your drives to maintain momentum. Cruise control helps maintain steady speeds, especially on open roads. This schematic illustrates how adaptive cruise control systems maintain safe distances and consistent velocity. Grouping multiple destinations into one trip reduces the number of cold starts and short drives. This graph shows potential fuel savings across different vehicle types when optimizing travel patterns. Extended idling wastes fuel without purpose. Turn off your engine if you'll be stopped for more than a minute, as even short idles consume unnecessary fuel. Implementing these driving techniques can improve your Murano II's fuel economy by 20 to 30%, saving you money and reducing environmental impact. Regular vehicle maintenance is crucial for maintaining optimal fuel efficiency in your Murano II. Proper upkeep can prevent inefficiencies that waste fuel and increase costs. Start with tire pressure. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Check pressure monthly and maintain it at the recommended PSI. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, reducing efficiency and fuel economy. Replace it according to your manufacturer's schedule, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Using the correct engine oil viscosity is important. The wrong oil can increase friction and drag, leading to higher fuel consumption. Always follow your vehicle's specifications for oil type and change intervals. Worn or faulty spark plugs can cause incomplete combustion, wasting fuel and reducing power. Regular engine tuning, including spark plug replacement, ensures efficient fuel burning. Finally, address any mechanical issues immediately. Problems like misfiring cylinders, leaks, or worn components can significantly impact fuel efficiency. Regular inspections help catch these early. Long-term fuel costs are a significant factor in owning a Murano II. These expenses accumulate over years of driving and can impact your budget substantially. The Murano II requires regular fuel to operate, and understanding these costs helps with financial planning. To calculate annual fuel usage, track your mileage. For example, if you drive 12,000 miles per year at 20 mpg, you'll use 600 gallons of fuel. Fuel prices vary over time. Looking at historical data from 1990 to 2020, prices have been volatile, but often around $3 to $4 per gallon. At $4 per gallon, 600 gallons costs $2,400 annually. Over 5 years, this adds up to $12,000. Maintaining your vehicle and driving efficiently can help reduce these costs. In conclusion, managing your Murano II's fuel consumption requires understanding that real-world MPG is typically lower than official EPA estimates. Driving habits like speed and acceleration, along with regular maintenance, significantly impact your fuel economy. The relationship between MPG and fuel consumption shows that improvements at lower MPG levels save more fuel than at higher levels. Following simple steps like proper maintenance, tire pressure checks, and efficient driving techniques can help improve your fuel economy. We encourage you to track your own fuel consumption using a simple spreadsheet to better understand and optimize your vehicle's performance. By taking these steps, you can take control of your fuel costs and drive more efficiently.